Okay, so let's start by installing the A to Z filters extension. We can do that by hovering over Gravity Kit here and clicking Products and Licenses. So this takes us through to a screen here where we can manage all of our licenses, and we can also install, update, and deactivate Gravity Kit products. So we can just click on the Not Installed tab here and scroll down, A to Z filters, and we'll click Install Now. Okay, so when that's done, the extension will automatically activate. Okay, great. So now you can navigate to your view where you want to add an A to Z filter widget. Okay, so here I am in the view editor, and I want to add an A to Z filters widget here. So I'll just click on the Add Widget button. And if I scroll down a bit, there's the A to Z entry filter. Click on that to add it to my view. And now I'll click on the gear icon here to configure the widget. As you can see, there are 3 options here. So the first one, here we need to choose what field to filter the entries by. So in this case, I'll choose the first name field. The next option, we can choose an alphabet. So that'll depend on the language of your view. And as you can see, there's quite a few options. So I'll leave that as English. And then finally, we can choose if we want to use uppercase letters or lowercase, and I'll keep that as uppercase. All right, so when you're done configuring the widget, just update your view. And go ahead and check it out on the front end. Okay, so here we go. Here's our view on the front end. As you can see, we've got this new A to Z filter. That will allow us to filter entries by the starting letter of the first name. So let me go ahead and I'll click on the letter B. And as you can see, Brad Enslin, that's the only entry of the B. And if I want to bring up all the entries again, I'll just click Show All. There we go. That's it.